back. So today I'm going to be showing with you my home goods haul. These are just going to be some things that I picked up for the holiday seasons coming up. You know the holidays are fast approaching. So yes, I have a couple things from Thanksgiving, some things for other people. I have some home decor in here. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I picked up, just keep on watching. Things that I picked up, let me just see, are these beautiful mirror frames. And so I have been looking for some of these for quite some time. As you can see, look how beautiful. And I actually got these for my bathroom, but I'm not sure if I'm going to put them in my bathroom. I might wind up putting them somewhere else, but I love this frame. And these were $16.99. I found two of them, so I grabbed the two. So that's what that looks like. And then you can see the little detailing on the side there. It's not mirrored all the way around. It's like a faux wood finish. Okay, so the next thing I picked up are these cute little doorknobs here. And these are from Lily and Leah. And so they were $9.99, which I thought was a good deal. I bought these also for my bathroom. So yeah, as you can see, I have a little thing going on there. Okay, so the next bag, I'm just picking up bags, you guys, so there's no rhyme or reason to this. It's just an apron. So of course I'm gonna be hosting Thanksgiving at my house this year, and I want to look nice too. Everybody's gonna be showing up looking good, so I want to look good too, but I don't want to mess up my clothes. So I picked up this apron so that I will keep my clothes nice and pretty. And this one is really well made. I could use this not only for Thanksgiving but for any holiday, so I went ahead and picked this up. Alright guys, so I did find some holiday pillows, and I'm just going to show you what they look like now. So here's the bag. Okay, so these are the pillows that I found, and I feel like I like these pillows. They were only $14.99. I feel like I like these pillows, but I'm not necessarily in love with them, to be quite honest. I'm not a fan of the Merry Christmas down here. So if I do find something I like a little bit more, I'm going to be taking these back to the store. But I do like the detailing on here. I love that it is like all sparkly and everything. So for right now, if I don't find anything else, this is what I'm going to be using for the holidays. And then guys, I found this beautiful big lumbar pillow here, and this is in the silver gray color that I love, and so it will look really good with my sitting room here. So yeah, I really like this, and it doesn't seem to shed many of these little fibers here, so that is always a plus. So yeah, this was $19.99. Guys, I found the cutest little reindeer. Oh my goodness. I felt like he was really pretty and detailed. I love I don't know if you can see that, but he has like a little, his little fur or something is just like all etched out real pretty. So I got him, and he was $12.99. Up some hand towels for my kitchen, as well as my little powder room down here. So I'm just going to show you those now. I did find a couple of these little towels here, and they're gray with the snowflakes. I go in my powder room down here. These were, I think, $7.99. Let me see. Yeah, $7.99 for these, and they're a set of two. I also found one of these. Now guys, I just liked the bling in these, but I don't know if I'm going to be changing my colors like that, because I don't want to spend a whole bunch of money in there, if you guys know what I mean. So, you know, trying to make it so that this all matches. So I want to use what I have, but just kind of, you know, put a couple touches on it. So I don't know if I'm going to be keeping this one as well, although I do really love this color. And then I also got this to tie it in. This is just to let it snow hand towels here, and they are so cute with the little snowflakes on them. Look how cute this is, guys. Put out their holiday socks, and so I picked up 2 packs of these socks for gifts. So I plan on giving these out as teacher gifts or whatever, or to like friends and family. So yeah, I got these, and these were only $4.99. I should have picked up a couple more packs, but yeah. But these are 3 packs, so yeah. Alright, so these are my kitchen towels that I picked up this year, and they say Joy, Noel, Peace, and Believe. I thought these were really cute, so I picked those up. I have a runner for my dining room table. Now guys, again, I just picked it up. I actually I know I'm not going to be using this, so this is definitely going to go back because I'm just not in love with the color for my dining room. And this was only $12.99, so that's why I hurried up and scooped it up. And I went home while I got here and I put it on the table, and I was just like, no, this is not going to work for me. Okay, so the next little bit of things that I found are just some little knickknacks. I did find some more Ray-Dun stuff, not even looking for it. I don't know, I'm just like getting in the habit of looking over there and seeing if I see something. Actually, I went to the pottery section to find some serving trays and things, but they had picked that section dry, you know, because of the Thanksgiving holiday. So I waited a little bit too late on that. Alright, so I found 2 more of their tribal mugs, and this one here says hustle. I love the saying on this one, reminds you to get your work on, as well as this one. And let me show you this one. And so this one says boss, and you know I love the saying on this one, so I went ahead and picked up this one. These both were $9.99, and then I picked up 2 of their bowls. This is the BU bowl, and then this one is the Mine bowl. And so what I'm going to be doing is changing out my bowls into these Ray-Dun bowls. And if I can find the plates, I'll also get the plates. Because as I said before, I really love the quality of her dishware, especially for everyday use. It is so well made. I feel like these are a great investment. So if you see these, definitely pick them up. And then guys, I picked up a pair of boots for myself. These are a pair of Coles, and I picked them up because I have been wanting a pair of these for a while, and they were only $39, so I said why not. They are blue down here, and then blue on the navy blue on the lace here, and a gray color, which I think the combination is beautiful because gray is like one of my favorite colors. And so now I'm on to Hobby Lobby. I did pick up a couple Christmas things from there. I picked up a few of these little ornaments. These are Christmas snowflakes, and I thought they were super cute. So I got those. And then I picked up a bunch of these. Aren't these cute, guys? Oh, I love these. Yes. So these are the ornaments that I picked up. Alright everybody, that is all that I have today. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this little video. If you have, please hit that subscription button, as well as hit that notification bell and the thumbs up button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.